Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix overheating issue on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to solve this problem, first of all restart your iPhone. So to restart your iPhone, press your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon right to restart your iPhone, and after restarting your iPhone will stop overheating, and if it's still overheating then disable raise to wake option in settings. Open settings and here scroll down and click on display and brightness. Now here in display and brightness, scroll down and here you will see a raise to wake option button. Turn off this button and then it will fix your problem. And if it's still not fix your problem, then again open settings and then click on general and again click on background app refresh. Now here click on background app refresh again and turn off background app refresh. So after turning off background app refresh, your problem will be fixed. And if it's still not fix your problem, then install all the pending updates in your iPhone Apple Store. Open Apple Store and then click on this profile icon. Now from here update all the apps which are pending. After updating all the apps, your phone will stop overheating, and if it's still overheating then update your iOS to latest version. So to update your iOS to latest version, open settings. Now in settings click on general and then click on software updates. Now here update your iOS to latest version. If you have not updated your iOS to latest version, update it. And after updating the iOS, go back and then in general scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now here click on reset and then reset all settings. Now enter your lock screen passcode and then again click on reset all settings to confirm. And after doing this, your phone will stop overheating. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.